Hey everybody, I feel like I need a serenade of angels right now. You will not believe what came in. Da 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 da! Yes, yes, dear friends. Dollar Tree lemon plates. Are you ready? I haven't even opened the box yet. Okay. All right. Now I'm opening them with you, so if any are broke, well, you'll see me cry. All right, thank you for your order. Yep, and it's all here. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this box down, and then I'm just going to bring up the stuff, okay? Oh, for so many of my family members on YouTube, you've been with me through the... Trying to get these was like pulling teeth. I received these first. And this was yesterday, and these came the very next day. Anyway, all of this was online because my Dollar Tree, for some reason, just doesn't like to stock what a lot of other Dollar Trees in different states, even up north of Northern California, they get things. Something about Southern California, I don't know. But I'm thankful that they are finally where you can get units instead of in bulk. So there's 4 to a unit in these, and so it was a set. So you got 2 of these lemon towels, which I think are so, I just absolutely adore this print. The other print that I really like that I would love to have had is the cherry, but I don't see the cherry anywhere. That's not to say that they won't. Another one that would be very pretty, if they did it anything like the lemon or the cherry, if they did apple. Can you imagine apple for fall? September, October, even into November. Who knows, they might. And then the oven mitt. And they all have this almost like an olive color backing. So that is the towel set. All right, so here we go. Please don't be broke, please. So far, so good. And you know me, I will keep all of this paper. This is perfect paper to do your crafts on or to make patterns out of. You know, if you have clip art that you've downloaded or printed out and you want to keep the actual pattern itself, you know, intact, just trace it onto some of this and you have a pattern. Or just put it down on your surface to keep your counters clean. Don't throw away this kind of paper. These feel like the wine glasses. Wow, they did wrap it. Oh my heavens, guys, look at this. Definitely keep this paper. Wow. Jeez Louise. Oh, how pretty. Here's the wine glasses, and they're little. They're not big, but that's perfectly fine. I just love this. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm not going to go through and unwrap each wine glass on air. I will do it, I'll unwrap them all off camera, but I just want to go through at least one piece each together so we can see what it looks like. And like I say, then I'll bring everything back up after it's all unwrapped. You guys, I can't believe how much paper they used. Good for them. Oh, I'm happy for that. Boy, this is nice paper. And you can also make flowers out of this paper. I showed you one time how to do a, oh, it looks like metal. And I'll do another one if anyone's interested in using brown paper and glue. How you can make it look like it's metal. Really perfect for a farmhouse. I think I'll do it anyway. I'll do it like towards, I'll do it more towards autumn. Sorry for the noise, but I am going to unwrap one each. Oh, they must have used at least 2.5 yards of that paper in each. Look at this. Oh, this was well worth the wait. These are adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys. Love it. That is, and I love the colors. Wow. I'm impressed, Dollar Tree. This is nice, really nice brown paper, actually. Oh, this is more than even 3 yards of paper. Well, you know what it is? I'll bet you it's that roll of paper that they sell for packing. Well, I guarantee you there's a whole roll. They wrap 2 bowls each. Oh, how pretty is this? Now, I think last year it was all the way around. I'm not sure. I don't care. That doesn't bother me. I'll take it. And these are nice sized bowls. I like these. Very nice. Don't throw away this either. This corrugated. These make pretty flowers. I used this in when I made those pumpkins last year for autumn. So don't throw that away if you get corrugated cardboard. And the last thing I got were the plates. Now these are salad plates, and that's okay because I went to Dollar Tree. Hold on, I'll go get them. I went to Dollar Tree and I got these plain white plates, just plain, knowing that these weren't going to be dinner size. And that again is perfectly fine with me because I still can get the look and achieve what I'm going for. Okay, and here are the plates. Not one is broke. Thank you, Lord. So this is going to fit perfectly here. And I am perfectly okay with that. So let's look. So if they ever do get the plates, that's just an extra bonus. Now what I didn't get, and I could have, but beverage glasses. But there you are, and I didn't see placemats, and I know they have them. I think I'll go back. I think I'll go back online and look. Okay, here we are. Look at the bees, you guys. Oh, I can't take it. I mean, when I see something this cute, it's like, oh my gosh. I am so thrilled that I was able to get these lemon plates. I cannot even begin to tell you. And for $1 each, I think so. So let's look again at the bowls. And here's my hand. I mean, these are good size bowls. And then there's the little bee from Hobby Lobby, and they're not going to be getting any more in because they're trying to get rid of their spring because they're trying to put up fall and Christmas. So if you go into your store, grab them. And then there's the other two. And then here's the wine glasses. Are those so sweet? Those are the sweetest little wine glasses. And they're little. They're not big wine glasses. And then over here is the oven mitt and pot holder. And there's the tea towels. And then here are the salad plates. And like I said, if I saw them, I would get them, but I'm not disappointed in the least with this at all. Because when I display them, and I'll show you, I will put them like that. So I'm not upset a bit about it. I'm thrilled. And then over here, look at this material. And you can get this at Hobby Lobby, and this is a normal fabric. This is a everyday fabric for Hobby. It's not holiday or spring. It's in with the duck material. But look at that. And look how good the bee goes with it. Oh my gosh. And then over here, you can get your ruffled gingham, and that comes in the trim section at Hobby Lobby, and the honey bee materials from Hobby Lobby. Look how good, you guys, all of that goes together. I am definitely incorporating all of this, and I will also put my patriotic with it. I like it too much to take it down, so I'm just going to incorporate it until I get ready to do my faux dessert series. So guys, I'm going to just pan you around just a little bit. I could not be happier. It was worth the 1.5 year wait. It was worth it. And now I want to show you on my floor the paper that wrapped them. You're not going to believe it. Look at this. And there's underneath what you're seeing, there's more. And here's the box it came in. And I will keep the peanuts too, because I'm going to be making something out of that for my sweets series, faux food. Can you believe that? I mean, it's piled up. I am so happy to have been able to share this with you. For those, like I said, that follow me, you know how long I've waited to get these. I couldn't be happier. So guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.